Came and rip it from you. Riding around in my coupe. Rory that ain't got no roof. Sorry, I cannot get loose. I'm always chasing the Benjamins.
G'day beasts and welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel today. And in today's video we're going to be taking a look at 5 ways you can make your outfits look more streetwear inspired. If you do going to enjoy this video, don't forget to smack the video a like, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date, hit the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. As always, let's jump right into it. First one up is wearing 2 articles of clothing that complement each other color wise. So what do I mean here? So I'm talking about having a hint of a certain color on a black t-shirt or white t-shirt or whatever else, and then you follow that through in your sneakers as well, or if you want to follow that through in your jacket somewhere else on your jacket, and working it that sort of way. This just shows that you've put a bit more thought into your outfit and you're actually thinking about what's going together. People can see that and it will definitely make it look more thought out and more streetwear inspired. My second tip is wearing a hoodie underneath your jacket. So this is something that really ups your streetwear aesthetic, especially when it's just a normal denim jacket or more of a trench coat style. If you want to make yourself look more streetwear inspired, throw a hoodie under it, something plain. I prefer these tan colors, a black, a white, even go towards the browns. Just something to throw in there to make it a little bit different. If you're wearing Jordan 1s that are like the bread colorway or something, maybe throw on a red hoodie and build that same color symmetry. So this is where the tips start to form together. So I could wear, say, this hoodie with a pair of Yeezys that have the stripe on them that has a similar tone to this. That sort of stuff is where I'm going with this. So building a cohesive outfit that sort of complements each other with a hoodie is a really easy way to bring both this tip and the second tip together. Our third tip is focusing on the fit of your clothing. So often clothing comes in a pretty straight fit if you go to your Targets and your Kmarts and all that sort of stuff. But where you need to look is look for your relaxed fits or your skinny fits and go to the extreme on either side of the spectrum, I would say. Don't try and look for clothing that fits like everyone else's clothing fits. Look for something that stands out. So as for, say, this jumper here has a drop shoulder, it's a little bit baggier through the lats, and that really helps add a sort of more streetwear inspired feel to your outfits. With the pants as well, you can go baggy, you can go skinny, and that is sort of an area which is very overlooked quite often. Our fourth tip, backing off that last tip, focusing on the fit, don't forget the pants. So the pants are an extremely important part of any outfit, and it's often an area where the normal people that are just going for more like a normal style, just your basic t-shirt and jeans style, will sort of overlook the cut of the pants. Now, the pants, as I mentioned last time, you can play around with the fit of them a lot. So often at the moment we've got sort of 2 extremes. We've got the bagginess and we've got the skinny. As I said, the 2 extremes sort of work with the pants as well. And you can also look at maybe getting a pant that is cropped or that has zips or has some sort of detailing. Don't just go your basic straight cut blue denim for a streetwear inspired fit. You can certainly work it in, but I wouldn't say your basic blue denim screams streetwear. I would say look for a pant that has a little bit more going on with it. Make it more of a statement than just blending in with the background. And my last tip for all the frugal boys out there is going to op shops and utilizing those op shops to cover everything we've just talked about. Because it is an op shop, you're going to be getting stuff that is a lot, it could be bigger for you than you would normally buy, so there you can get your oversized look there. You can get pants are probably the one thing that are harder to find at an op shop, but you still can get a few pickups there. Also, you can sort of look for, I don't know, more stuff that you wouldn't usually go to a store and find. You can find more retro stuff and more like a vintage athletic wear. So definitely utilize op shops to save money and also diversify your wardrobe. Try out new stuff that you don't want to spend big money on, but you still want to try out, say like that vintage wear, or even I've found some pretty cool tech wear and all that sort of stuff at op shops. So definitely utilize them. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. That has been my top 5 tips to up your streetwear game in 2018, mid 2018. These things, of course, will change and evolve over time. comment down below your, say, top couple of tips that you personally use to find a better streetwear aesthetic, or what works with your streetwear aesthetic the most. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. I've been Brodos. You have been awesome. Stay classy.